Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Omega Tosin, and if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe, like, and share our videos. And on the channel today, I'm going to show you how to cut a perfect sleeve in less than 1 minute. Yes, 1 minute. The first thing you want to do before drafting a pattern is to measure the round armhole. For the form we have 10.5, and I'm going to show you how to measure the round armhole. You're just going to take your tape and measure around the armhole that you drafted. And when I was done here, I have 10 inches. Now I'm going to sum up the front and back armhole measurements. And what we have here is 20.5. I'm going to minus 1 inches for 20.5 because we're going to curve the sleeve, and the curve will account for the 1 inch that we remove. Now what we have here is 90.5 after minusing 1 inch, and you're going to divide that 90.5 by 2, and when we did, we have 9.75. So the width of the fold that you're going to have for your sleeve is going to be 9.75. Yes, you heard me right, 9.75, and that's what we have here. The next thing you want to do is to measure your sleeve length. The sleeve length I'm working with is 14.5. I added extra 1 inches for seam allowance because I'm going to attach a flare at the end of the sleeve. And if you are doing a long sleeve and you're not attaching anything to your sleeve, just go ahead to add 1.5 inch hem allowance. So what you see me doing is just trying to mark the shoulder line and the hem line of the sleeve. For the cap height, I'm going to work with 5.5. Yes, 5.5, that's the cap height. Now I'm going to roll a line across to perfect the line that I just drew. Remember when we divided our round armhole, we got 9.75. Now from the center front of the sleeve, I'm just going to mark 9.75 into the cap height, which is also the bicep line. I went ahead to add my 1 inches for seam allowance. The next thing I want to do, I want to mark my upper arm. To mark your upper arm, you're going to measure from your elbow line to the bicep line, which is also the cap height, divide it by 2. That's your upper arm line. So on the upper arm line, you're going to divide your upper arm measurement by 2. Then you're going to mark it on this line, your biceps measurement or your upper arm measurement. So what I have here was 14 for this client. I marked 7. I went ahead to mark my 1 inches seam allowance. And for the elbow, I think the elbow measurement was 13 inches. Yes, 13. So I marked 6.5. Then I went ahead to mark my sewing allowance. After marking all these measurements, you want to go ahead to use your ruler to connect all these lines, which was the way I connect my ruler. The line that is coming from the bicep line into the upper hand is slightly curved, and this is what you will have. Now for the armhole curve, from the center front, I'm going to come in 2.5. Yes, from that 2.5 inch, I'm going to curve into my armhole measurement. Yes, that's how you're going to curve. The next thing you want to do from here, you want to mark the midpoint of this line, and you're going to come in by 0.5 inch. Now the one that is coming out is for the back, and the one that is going in is for the front. Remember that the front is more narrower than the back, and this is how to cut a perfect sleeve for your dress or your garment project. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give it a thumb up, like and share our videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day and bye.